Hey guys, finally the wait is over. I have upgraded to the iOS 18 and the phone is quite warm. It's quite hot right now. I just updated to the iOS 18 finally, so let's get login into it. Let me put the password. Okay, so software update. Your iPhone has been updated to the iOS 18. Continue. It is asking for the Wi-Fi. Continue. Taking a while. It's quite heat up. I don't know why, but yeah, it's quite warm. Still taking time, still taking time. I was quite excited about this update and it got on my phone quite later, but finally it is here. Continue. Okay, so moment of truth, iOS 18 running on iPhone 14. Okay, this is quite same. Obviously there are the customization features available, so we are gonna try those features one by one. First of all, I'm definitely gonna try the home screen features. So for example, go over here, there is a new edit option other than the plus, customize, and this is how I can customize the icon. I can make them look dark for now. I can also make them light again. I can also Okay, I can also change the size, although it looks really bad, but this is what I can do. I can also select automatic option depending upon the what mode I am using. So turning it to black, I can also apply different colors. For example, okay, this is look. Okay, maybe it take a bit of time to get used to such things, but this is how the icons look. For example, this is how the icons, okay, these icons are maybe loading or something. Okay, they are loaded over here. Okay, so this is something how it is looking like. It looks really cool, it looks really attractive and matches the background really good. So this is the home screen how it looked like. Now moving to the next big feature is definitely the control center. So swiping down, and here is the new, more curvy, more good looking control center where you can also switch pages by swiping up this way. So this is really cool. Okay, so it's a bit laggy as you can see. Definitely we're gonna see a lot of lags because this is just the first beta 1. This is the first update. So swiping down. Okay, let me change the pages. This like this also looks really good. Really good, really good. Okay, tapping, there is a plus button on top. Tapping on this plus button, it shows me the option of resizing the widgets. As you can see, obviously it is not 100% customizable, but you can resize according to your choice if you want. Also, you can add a control. There is add a control option. Tapping on this, there are more options available. Now these also support third-party applications, so let's see what applications are coming to the control center. That will be really great to see. Now the photos application has been changed completely. So tapping on the photos app, and this is how the photos app look like. You can see it is a one page application with different categories and all stuff. I will talk about this photos application in detail in some other video because there are a few things that don't want to show because it is quite personal for me. So this is all about the home screen, control center, and the photos application. Now obviously there are tons of new features. The UI changes in the mail application. Let me see, it's still same, it is not updated yet. As you can see, the mail application is still same. Maybe that is coming later or something, but it is not updated yet. Let's see if I go to the app store to see if any update or something is available, because that is not updated yet, so it is taking a time. Okay, nothing is there, but yes, this is not updated. It may take one or more updates, we will see. So these are some of the new things that are available with the iOS 18. Also, there is a new password application that is going to be a very useful. I do use iPhone password. I also use LastPass and I also use Bitwarden, but I think now I'm totally gonna rely on this password application. It is also going to be really cool. Now let's see what this update has more to offer. Talking about the messages, I want to talk about few things in the messages. So going to the messages, let me open this conversation over here. As you can see, there are few things new with the messages. Let's see. So if I type hello, can I send it later, or how I can send it later? Okay, so here are some of the new text effects. As you can see, explode, bloom, jitter, ripple, nod, small, big. If I send it, this is how it looks like. It is also really neat. But how I can, so, okay, there is an option of send later, so I have to choose the option of send later from the menu. If I want to send any message, I can also customize the time according to my choice. That is also really great. So send later is also available. Also tap back, I can react with any emoji I want. This is finally here. It is going to be very, very useful. Before, these were the only options, but now, as you can see, many more options are available. It is going to be a very, very useful. So these are some of the updates regarding the messages application. Also with the call, obviously I am not going to show you call, but also with the call phone application, now phone recording option is also available. Obviously it is going to inform the next person that you are recording, but yes, recording is also available with this update. Now going to the settings, see if the settings look same. It is quite same. Let me go to the camera application. It is quite same, nothing new over here. If I go to the edit, add widget, I want to, okay, the widgets look also black. They also change the color according to the colors of icon. That looks really good. If I go to the journal, so there are new widgets with a streak and new entries, something like this. This is also look really, really cool. So yeah, these are some of the amazing things with the iOS 18. Now game mode is also available with the iOS 18. Now I'm not sure if it is available on this iPhone 14 or it is for the, I'm not sure about that, because it is not showing anything. Maybe it is for the pro models or something. Game mode is not, nothing is showing up. I will check into that and will update you guys about that too. Now with the iOS 18, I can also lock or hide any application if I want. So I don't know how to do that, so let's see if there is lock application option available in the settings. No, it is not. For example, if I select this app, and no, there is no lock option available. Maybe here, I don't know how to lock an application. Edit home screen, required face ID. Okay, so this is how you can lock the application. You need to set it to require face ID. So if I tap this just like this, it just showed up. Maybe these are some of the bugs or something. It just, okay, now it is asking me for the face ID, but for the first time it didn't work. Maybe turn this off, go again. Okay, now it is asking me authenticate. Okay, let's see how other application, for example, for the WhatsApp, yes, there is available required face ID. There is available required face ID. I missed that while I was trying to find. I missed that, but it is not available for the, okay, it is available over here. The location is different depending upon the application, but yes, required face ID is available, and this is how it works. Well, these are some of the new things that are available with the iOS 18. Definitely I will be coming up with more videos talking about this battery life, its performance in upcoming days. Well, until that, I will catch you in my next video. Take care, peace out.